What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Something a little bit different for you guys today. Going to be playing Mandolin Rain by Bruce Hornsby. Been trying to learn this song for the past month, so let's hope I can pull it off for you guys here, and it goes something like this. Song came and went, like the times that we spent hiding out from the rain under the carnival tent. Laugh and she'd smile, it would last for a while. You don't know what you got till you lose it all again. Listen to the mandolin rain, listen to the music on the lake, or listen to my heart break every time she turns to go. Listen to the banjo wind, sad song drifting low, or listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Cold evening dance, listening to the bluegrass band, takes the chill from the air till they play the last song. Now I'll do my time, oh, keeping you off my mind. But there's moments when I find I'm not feeling so strong. Listen to the mandolin rain, listen to the music on the lake, oh, listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Listen to the banjo wind, sad song drifting low, oh, listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Running down by the lake shore, she did love the sound of a summer storm. Played on the lake like a mandolin, now it's washing her away once again. Yeah, again. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it's steaming in, oh, I watch the side wheel spin, and I think about her when I hear that whistle blow. I can't change my mind, oh, I knew all the time that she'd go, but that's a choice I made long ago. Listen to the mandolin rain, listen to the music on the lake, oh, listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Listen to the banjo wind, sad song drifting low, oh, listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go, as she turns to go. Oh, listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go.